everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So what you want to do is fold it in half. Then you want to open it up and make it like you're going to make a regular airplane. Well, you are going to make an airplane. My bad. So then when you have the two flats turn. But this time it really doesn't matter if it's pointy or not. Okay? Because we're going to make a different one. So then when you're done with that, you want to fold it like this. And then you want to fold it like that. Wait, I forgot one step. You need to do this on a line, but they need to be the same. If they're different, yeah, it might work, but it might not. So you mostly want it to be good. See, this one got off like that. So now like this part needs to go up like that. But since that part doesn't really work, just go like that. Then fold it like this. And then put the little thingy over here. Like that. Same thing over here. There you go, folks. That's how you make a paper airplane.